In our continuing series with business consultants Think to Perform, COO Chuck Wachendorfer is back. Chuck, let's talk about goal setting as we start off a new year, either personal or in your business. Is there a value to setting big goals?
The real value in identifying a goal is, what do I got to do to make that happen? So you've heard the acronym SMART. So a goal has to be specific, measurable, achievable, results-based, time-bound. So you could have a specific goal. So I want to lose 20 pounds in 6 months, or I want to increase revenues by 20% over the next 12 months. But what really matters is, what do I got to do to make that happen? So goal setting follows follows natural law, follows the law of cause and effect. So I have to do something today to see revenue increase 12 months from now. Those are what we call key activities. There are key activities to driving revenue, cutting expenses, improving profitability, and it's knowing what those key activities are and how much of those key activities we have to do to achieve the goal. So I may want to lose 20 pounds in 6 months. If you told me I'd have to live on 1,000 calories a day and go to the gym for 3 hours a day, 6 days a week, what I'd tell you is, I'm not willing to do that. Therefore, what I have is not a goal. What I got is a dream. If you want to talk to me personally, you want to speak more about an issue that you may have in your business, feel free to reach out to me at chuck@thinktoperform.com or at 970-926-0841.